here. It's finally freaking cruise day. Welcome to Blue Collar Cruising, and I just got to my room all by myself. I'm cruising by myself. Now, you guys know I have my wife with me. She is with her sister. She's not staying in a suite. So we made an arrangement to where I could do a room tour and all that kind of stuff before she gets up here and go get a spot up on the Lido and save it for them. Well, anyways, we are on the Carnival Glory. You know this. You clicked on the video. And we're in New Orleans right now. And I don't know. It's about 11 o'clock. So we got a few hours before we set sail. But this is a nice cool day out here today. And we are on the starboard side. We're going to Jamaica, Grand Cayman, Cozumel. It's been a few years since we've done this itinerary, so looking forward to it. We've got some excursions planned and got a lot of relaxation, so I hope you watch this series of video. Until then, enjoy the views. Moving slowly but surely.